Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. And by the way, if you are not following me on Telegram channel, make sure you do that because I'll be putting out a whole lot of information, a whole lot of useful information about this forex market. Check out my Telegram channel. The link to the channel will be in the comment section. So follow me on Telegram channel and get updates from me. So let's take a look at this USDJPY. So if you take a look at this, let me zoom it out. We can see that this is kind of like a key level here. We can see that this is kind of like a resistance level, right? We can see it here kind of like a resistance level around this level. So we can see that this USDJPY is coming to this level. Then after it comes to this resistance level, what do we expect next? Definitely another drop will play out. Now take a look at this movement that was made on Friday. We can see this massive bullish move. I think this movement was about 250 pips. I'm seeing 261 pips here, right? So we actually made this 260 plus pips on Friday due to the fact that JPY actually dropped. I mean, if you paid attention to the news that was released on Friday, you would understand why JPY actually dropped. I mean, if you take a look at the monetary policy, the statement, and everything that was released, even interest rates was also left at negative 0.1. If I'm not wrong, I think it is negative 0.1. I have forgotten it, right? But sorry about that. It was left at about negative 0 point something. So this is one of the reasons why JPY fell. So when JPY fell, what happened? Every other pairs to our JPY actually gained bullish move. We can take a look at it on Euro JPY. Euro JPY was massive bullish move. Take a look at this, our USD JPY, massive bullish move. GBP JPY, New Zealand JPY. So basically, all JPY pairs was actually bullish due to the fact that JPY dropped. Now let's take a look at what will happen next. With what I am seeing right now, I'll be expecting a drop, but I would want it to come to this resistance level, then a drop, then we can consider, probably looking to sell, to this, support resistance, sorry, to this support level on USDJPY. Now there's going to be a crazy movement this week on USDJPY. I want you to pay attention and be very, very careful when you trade this because this week we'll be expecting news on NFP. We all know once there's news on NFP, basically there is going to be crazy, massive movement, and it is going to go on for a very, very, very long time. NFP is one of those news that move the markets like crazy. We would also be expecting news on the interest rates. Fed have also made a plan to actually increase the interest rates for the last time for this May. I think it is about 0.25 basis points. So once they can increase the interest rates for the last time, then the next time they will now start looking to cut down on this interest rate. So basically, there's going to be a massive movement on this USDJPY. Basically, all our forex markets, there will be a crazy movement. Also, AUD, we'll be expecting some interest rates, to actually remain the same on AUD, by the way. I think it was on Tuesday that would happen. We would also be expecting some interest rates on Euro, right? And I think there should be some news on GBP. I can't remember it now. So basically, crazy movements this week on our forex markets. But with this, our USDJPY, we will be expecting kind of like a bullish move to come to this resistance level, then drop. Because we all know once the Fed said that once they increase interest rates right now, then they will now start looking to cut down on interest rates. And we all know that once Fed, there's no more people are no more interest when people are no longer expecting an increase in interest rates on this USD or so whatever, you would notice that it will start dropping. So with what I'm saying, I see that USD JPY will go bullish, then this our USD PS will start dropping. I mean, when you take a look at this our DXY, right? I mean, if you have to zoom it out, let's take a look at this daily time frame. What is this? This is kind of like a bearish move, and you can see that price is actually ranging within this level, right? So I believe price will continue to range within this level till maybe the news is being released. Then, if fortunately the news makes this USD to drop, then I can assure you that this USDJPY will drop massively. So watch out for this on USDJPY. With what I'm seeing, I'm still speculating a bearish move this week.